Hello and welcome back to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to make or design a logo. So, to design a logo, you have to visit Canva, and after that, you can type here logo, and you will get to know that clothing logo, gaming logos, photography logo, restaurant logo, animated logo, search for logo. So you can see the option here, and you should know the size of the logo. So you can create custom size also just by clicking here, or you can simply select your required logo. So I will go with this logo 500 into 500 pics, and after that you will visit this area. You can simply come and create blank, and if you have idea, and if you don't have idea, then you can use the template here. So take the example of this template. So colorful brain digital world technology logo, customize this logo, and here like digital Neeraj, and in this way you can design according to your requirement, and you can change, you can put your photo here, you can put some different logo here. In this way, delete it and upload it and paste it, and simply just go to share button and download it, and you can download in PNG format. But yes, you have to remember one thing, that you will get this type of logo only when you have pro plan. That means you have premium plan, and with free plan you will get this type of logos. So remember this logo: pro means premium and free means nothing. Okay, you can use these things. Anyways, so just go ahead and download it and use it for your business. For now, bye bye.